Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ClickUp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with ClickUp, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the ClickUp website. Locate and click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your email and password to access your ClickUp dashboard. Once you're logged in, explore the main dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To connect a new integration, click on your profile avatar in the lower left corner. From the menu that appears, select Integrations. Browse through the available integrations to find the one you want to connect. Click on the integration you wish to use. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize ClickUp to connect with that application. Make any necessary configurations within the integration settings. Save your changes to ensure the connection is active. To test the connection, return to the main dashboard and use the features offered by the integration. If everything is working correctly, you are successfully connected to ClickUp. For troubleshooting, revisit the integration settings and ensure all steps were followed. You can repeat these steps to connect additional integrations as needed. Now you're ready to enhance your productivity with ClickUp and its integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.